Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Unleash Your Legend. This is our eye health segment where we keep you up to date and wise about having healthy eyes. Fact, approximately 2 million people in the UK, that's about 1 in 30, are blind or partially sighted. Fact, people from the BME population are at a higher risks of certain eye diseases. In fact, experts predict that 1 in 10 people from a Black and minority ethnic background who are over the age of 65 will experience serious sight loss. Fact, most people get regular dental checks but often neglect to get regular eye exams. Fact, many eye conditions are treatable if detected early. Good afternoon, everyone. It's July 13th, Wednesday, hump day. That's right. And you're listening to Unleash Your Legend here with me, Lady Rabia, coming to you live from Arawak Radio from the Young People Center. This is the eye health segment where we keep you up to date about campaigns and different events that are going on regarding to your eye health. Now, many of you may wonder why this is so important to me, but I am one of the statistics that I mentioned earlier. No, I'm not 65, but I do have severe visual impairment. I have a disease called keratoconus, which significantly impairs my vision. In fact, I'm considered legally blind, and I am right now fighting for my sight. In fact, in September, I'm due to have the first of 2 cornea transplants. So it has really become my mission to advocate for the BME community in the West Midlands. I want to raise awareness about various eye diseases that are prevalent in our population so that we can have early treatment. And I also want to campaign for equal access to eye health services. In our announcements today, I want to talk about what Boots is doing to ensure that all kids have great eye health and that they have great vision available to them so that they can use it to have every opportunity. So what Boots has done is that they've developed this really, really cool free interactive eye check storybook. That's right, you heard me. It's an interactive eye check storybook. It's called Zookeeper Zoe, and it has a range of eye checked activities that you can read with your child. It's so interesting. I couldn't believe how they did this. And it actually helps you to understand if your child might need some support with their vision. We love this book here at Unleash Your Legend. I love this. I love this idea. You can get the actual book, like hard copy book, free when you go into the Boots. They have stands with it there. And they also have discount coupons in there if you are not able to get the free NHS checks, if you're not the right age group or income level, you are able to get discount coupons with the Zookeeper Zoe book. And it's just so cool. It's free. You don't pay anything. You walk in, you get your book, and you walk out. What we love, another thing that we absolutely love about Zoe is that Zoe, the zookeeper, is top with, being concerned about her vision, but also she is Black. So we love that. And we're going to continue to highlight this book and in how she's representing the BME population, because it is so important to see different ethnicities reflected in books. Now you can download the free eye check storybook for a tablet app, or you can read it online at zookeeperzoe.co.uk. That's zookeeperzoe, ZOE.co.uk. You can just go online and download that. Or you can just go in the stores and pick one up. So we love that. Remember, Zoe, Zookeeper. Oh my God. One other thing that we want to talk about today is Sight Village Birmingham. That's right. Sight Village Birmingham is an annual event. It's held in July, and it's starting next Tuesday. That's right, next Tuesday, July 19th at 10 a.m. It's going all the way to 4 p.m. And then it happens all over again on Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So let me tell you what it's about, and then I'll give you the address, okay? So first off, know that this is a huge event. It's an exhibition. It has over 70 businesses and organizations who are showcasing their equipment and services to help people who are visually impaired, and that helps them to live more productive, independent lives. This exhibition, okay, it's actually described as the premier exhibition for blind and partially sighted people in the UK. But it's not just for the actual people who are suffering from this. It's for employers, for companies. If you have you have employees who have certain disabilities. So there you go. You can see all kinds of equipment, software, gadgets, all kinds of cool things you'll be able to find access to. And also, if you're a carer or you're a family member or an eye care professional, any of you people, you'd be so interested in this. And if you just want to go in general to see what kinds of things, what technology they're having now for accessibility, it's the place to be, because each July, thousands of visitors travel to Birmingham to find out, the firsthand technology and the products and services that are available for people. The exhibitors are commercial companies and voluntary organizations from all around the world. They're going to have guide dogs there. They're going to have Blind Kids UK. So if you have a child that's suffering from anything, go and talk to people, check some of the equipment. Maybe your child can benefit from a handheld magnifier. These things are available to make your life easier. Also, I want to highlight that the great thing about this is admission is free. That's right. You heard it here first. Sight Village Birmingham, admission is free. It is a family-oriented event. Also at the event, they're going to have seminars and workshops. They're going to have free taster sessions. Blind tennis is going to be there. They're going to have an equestrian taster. They're going to have a taster for judo. That's right. They're even having a seminar on how to travel with a visual impairment. They have another one about supporting people, young people like 11 to 19 with visual impairments. And they also have seminars and workshops about supporting people with dementia and sight loss. There's even a workshop from a leading professional theater company for visually impaired people. Extant is going to have a fun-fueled, fired-up workshop. If you're interested in that, that'll be really different. So check out Sight Village Birmingham next Tuesday and Wednesday from 10 to 4, and then Wednesday from 10 to 3. And if you have a family member that has a visual impairment, it would be great for you to visit the show. Also, if you're professionals that support people with visual impairments and businesses looking to meet the needs of their employees and customers, I think you should check it out. It's going to be held at the new Bingley Hall, 1 Hockley Circus, B185PP in Birmingham. So that's at the new Bingley Hall. Check it out. Remember, it's free. And if you want more information on that, you can contact one of the team on 0121-428-5041. So if you want more information about Sight Village Birmingham, contact 0121-428-5041.